Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming account access and that the new GAG update is installed. This prevents compatibility errors. Once done, secure two-factor authentication and open your inventory to list items and note quantities and target prices. Then, directly open the trade window and choose the partner you trust. Make the first actionable move. Propose an initial offer focusing on high-value items first, explain why each item is listed, and wait for their acknowledgement before adjusting terms. You now negotiate using recent sale data and in-game demand to justify your prices. This shows the partner how you calculated value. Once a dialogue starts, break complex bundles into single-item exchanges to make approval easier and reduce dispute risk. As you iterate, adjust offers by adding currency, swapping items, or attaching conditional notes that specify delivery timing. Keep a steady rhythm. Propose, explain briefly, pause for response, and confirm each agreed swap before moving to the... You finish by reading the final offer line by line with the partner and then accept simultaneously to lock the trade. This prevents last-second changes. After completion, immediately document the exchange with screenshots of receipts, partner ID, and timestamps so you have proof if disputes arise. If something goes wrong, mismatched items, invisible fees, or suspected fraud, cancel the trade, preserve screenshots, report to support, and restart the trade window with a vetted partner. This step protects your inventory and reputation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.